Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we don't just help you buy, we help you buy smart. Today, we're diving into the world of robo-vacuums, comparing two heavyweights, the Eufy RoboVac 11S and the iRobot Roomba 694. Is it a battle of David versus Goliath? Or just two robots trying to suck up to you? Let's find out. In the left corner, we have Eufy RoboVac 11S, priced at a cool $229. Not bad, right? It's like the budget-friendly superhero of vacuum cleaners. On the right, we've got Roomba 694, strutting in with a price tag of $274. That's $45 more, folks. For that price difference, it better clean my house and make me breakfast. Now let's talk accessories. Eufy 11S comes with a remote control, batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, side brush, and a user manual. Plus a 12-month warranty. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robo-vacuums. Roomba 694? Well, it's more of a minimalist. It's got the basics, but let's just say it's not winning any accessory beauty pageants. It's like the person who shows up to a potluck with just chips. Come on, Roomba, put in a little effort. Design-wise, Roomba 694 is like the James Bond of vacuums, sleek and premium. It even has an auto-adjust cleaning head and adaptive navigation. It can dodge furniture like a ninja and avoids cliff diving down your stairs. Talk about smart. Eufy 11S? Well, it's more like the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Simple, effective, and gets the job done. It's got a low-profile design that slides under furniture with ease, but it might need a little guidance around those pesky staircases. No cliff detect here, folks. Watch your step, Eufy. When it comes to cleaning, Roomba 694 is like that overachieving student in class. It's got a system of cleaning features and smart sensors that adapt to your home. It even runs for 90 minutes before it heads back to recharge. It's like it's on a mission to prove something. Eufy 11S is the reliable, hardworking robot that doesn't need to brag. It's quiet, efficient, and does its job without making a fuss. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a reliable friend who always shows up on time. No frills, just clean floors. Amazon reviewers say that the Eufy 11S is particularly good for homes with pets, praising its quiet operation and effectiveness on different surfaces. On the other hand, Roomba 694 is appreciated for its powerful cleaning, but noted to be a bit noisy and sometimes missing spots. Reviewers still find it convenient and powerful for its price point. Amazon reviewers have shared their thoughts on both these robo-vacuums. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is highly recommended for its quiet operation and effectiveness, especially in homes with pets. Customers also praise its ease of use and excellent customer service. However, it does have some limitations on black surfaces and cords. The iRobot Roomba 694, while effective and powerful, is noted to be noisy and sometimes misses spots. It requires frequent cleaning of the dust compartment and rollers, but is still appreciated for its convenience and power, especially for its price. So who's the winner? Is it the budget-friendly Eufy 11S or the feature-packed Roomba 694? Well, that's up to you, smart buyers. Do you want a vacuum that's simple and effective, or one that's got all the bells and whistles? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. And remember, folks, no matter which vacuum you choose, you'll still be doing less cleaning than before. So that's a win in our book. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy.